Hi guys, welcome to Jordi's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make French Cassoulet. The ingredients are white beans, salt, pepper, oregano, rosemary, onion and garlic, bacon and butter, sausage, and green onion. What we're gonna do is boil the sausage. While sausages are boiling, we're gonna add some butter and bacon to the pan. Then we're gonna add some onion and garlic, stir it together. Next up, we're gonna add the white beans. Add all the seasoning. Then we're gonna transfer the sausages to the pan. Add some chicken stock, some Chardonnay, get the lemon, a baguette, and now green onions. Now this classic French dish is done.
J'ai eu un flash. En 4 couleurs. Allez hop, un matin, une louloute est venue chez moi, poupée de cellophane, cheveux chinois, un sparadrap, une gueule de bois.